welcome back to our channel. If today is your first time stopping by here, then welcome. My name is Mimi, and if you're a returned subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so today I am sharing with you how to make money becoming a virtual assistant. So if this is the content you're looking for, then please consider subscribing to this channel, because this is a small community and we will not grow without your support. And also consider giving this video a thumbs up, because it's free one, and then it also serves as a motivation to me. So without wasting much of your time, let's dig right into. I'm sending some love your way. Companies, website owners, vloggers, organizations, and individuals hire virtual assistants to assist them with varieties of tasks. Being a virtual assistant is incredibly a varied role. So you do varieties of tasks if you're a virtual assistant, like making phone calls, writing emails, scheduling appointments, etc. So in this video, I'll share with you 9 companies, okay, that hire VA assistant for companies. VA is virtual assistant for companies. Number 1 is Zechwell. Zechwell brings together clients who are looking to hiring VAs. VA is virtual assistant. And if you're a virtual assistant at Zechwell, you are responsible for completing a wide range of tasks, from scheduling appointment to general administration works. Okay, so Zechwell doesn't always have openings. They are not always hiring, but they do hire occasionally. Okay, and according to figures on Glassdoor, virtual assistant at Zechwell earns between $11 to $14 an hour. So do check them out if you're interested in working as a virtual assistant. 2 is Contemporary VA. Contemporary VA helps entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches, and other varieties of clients to find virtual assistants. If you are a virtual assistant at Contemporary VA, you are responsible for wide ranges of tasks, from organizing calendars to planning webinars. And according to Glassdoor figures, a virtual assistant at Contemporary VA earns $10 an hour. So number 3 is Fancy Hands. If you are a virtual assistant at Fancy Hand, you're responsible for a wide range of tasks, from scheduling appointments to internet research. That's what virtual assistants do, tasks. Okay, but unlike the other companies we've talked about, Fancy Hands does not pay you per hour. Fancy Hands will pay you per task. So when you start with them, you can be earning between $3 to $7, but your pay increases as you go with them. That's according to Glassdoor. Next one is BELAY Solution. This company offers virtual assistant jobs, but they look for high-level management. If you are a virtual assistant at BELAY Solution, you are responsible for varieties of tasks. I think I've been repeating this in every section. Varieties of tasks, that's what virtual assistants are responsible for. But at BELAY Solution, a virtual assistant is responsible for managing social media and organizing events. And according to Glassdoor figures again, a virtual assistant at BELAY solution can be earning between $5 to $19 an hour. So head over to their site and check them out if that's something you would like. Next one is 24/7 VA. VA is short form for virtual assistant. This company matches client to virtual assistant. 24/7 VA pays you $10 to $12 per hour. That's on the average, but most positions are part-time, ranging from 20 to 120 hours per month. So if you're looking for something you can be doing on a daily basis, this is not your to-go place, okay? But if you just want to add to your income stream, that's cool. You can check them out. Another one is EQUIVITY. EQUIVITY is another company that offers virtual assistant services. They offer positions like virtual executive assistant, and you can earn up to $15 an hour if you are a virtual assistant at EQUIVITY. So do check them out. Another one is Time ETC, yet another virtual assistant company that matches clients to virtual assistant. If you work as a virtual assistant with Time ETC, you manage varieties of tasks, some of which includes managing traveling arrangements to general admin support, okay? And if you are a VA with Time ETC, you can be earning $11 an hour. That's according to figures from Glassdoor. The next one is Worldwide 101. This company offers VA services to businesses. It pays its VA team between $18 and $20 per hour. But how much you earn if you are a VA assistant at Worldwide 101 depends on your skill, your experience, and your position. Yes. Okay, also there is this one called Paragon Planners. They offer, as the name goes, planners. They offer scheduling and appointment setting services to clients. If you're a VA working with them, you can work up to 35 hours a week, but the pay isn't specified.